Ready to find a place you can call home? Come live at Casa Bella. We offer luxury and convenience at a price you can afford. Casa Bella is nestled in the heart of Southwest Tucson and is surrounded by the beautiful Sonoran Desert. Our community is easily accessible to I-19, and we are on the bus line, so you're never too far from the action. The best shopping, dining, and entertainment is all just a stone's throw away. We are also just minutes from the airport. Casa Bella offers great amenities for you. Sit back and enjoy the sun in one of our 2 swimming pools and spa area. Or get some cardio in after a long day's work in our 24-hour fitness center. We also offer 3 laundry facilities, open 24 hours for your convenience, as well as covered playgrounds. You'll never be bored when you stay with us. Casa Bella proudly features 6 thoughtfully designed floor plans of 1- and 2-bedroom apartment homes. We offer features like ceiling fans, extra storage, walk-in closets, patio or balcony, and so much more. Small dogs are allowed when you stay with us, and short-term leases are available. Casa Bella offers something for everyone. Give us a call or tour our community today.